Welcome back to another Dodge video. In this video, we're gonna try to finish the exterior and interior. For exterior, we're gonna have to finish painting the truck. Before that, we gotta take the door off so we can prep for paint. So the interior, there is not that much work. Basically, we gotta change the roof airbag. We already have a new one. We have to install the airbag on the seat, take the seat to a shop to get it stitched. Same thing with the two seat belts. We gotta take them to a shop to get it fixed. Other than that, everything should be good. So before anything, I'll have to take the seat off. That way I can drop the headliner from this side and switch the airbag. Airbag is out, came out pretty easy. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the new one. It's over here. Right, so that's a wrap for today. Basically, we did change the new airbag, put the plastic bags. They're not here because the seat belt is out. So is this one. We pull the seat belts out, we pull the seat out. I gotta take it to L&D Solution. They're gonna get it done fast, and probably in a day or two we'll be back installing everything. We did bond over there. It's gonna dry by tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna sand everything, and probably after tomorrow maybe paint. All right guys, so that's 2 days later. And we're back on the Dodge. I just picked up the seat and the seat belts from LED Solution. They did a great job and fast job too. Usually takes a little longer because of the big line, but we got it done fast. The truck is still not ready for the paint, but we probably gonna finish today and paint it tomorrow. So we only do what we can because we do have full-time jobs and we work on our cars after work little by little, but at least we're moving. So the interior is 100% complete. The seat belts, all the plastics are back. The seat, they actually did a really good job stitching that. You can't even tell. It's nice. Well, everything is done except cleaning, but that's later. Now what we're gonna do is install the bed, but it's kind of dirty over here. So just gonna back up, wash it a little bit with the pressure washer, and then we're gonna throw the bed in. Truck is clean. It looks really clean. Now we're gonna go ahead and back it up in the other shop and put the bed on. Right guys, so we did paint the truck yesterday. The paint is dry right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel all this plastic, install the door, and we'll keep moving. Right guys, so we are done with the truck for now. I was thinking to put the headlights, bumper, grill, everything, but there is no point for that because pretty soon we're gonna have to take everything off and vinyl wrap the whole truck. So next thing, probably we're gonna do the lift kit, put the big wheels. After that, we're gonna start vinyl wrapping the whole truck. So I'm not even gonna bother installing moldings, everything that's missing, like mirrors, and we're gonna stop here for now. But it looks good. Paint job turned out to be good. all the gaps, everything, it's really nice. So I'm happy with how it turns out to look. So that's a wrap for today's video. Please like and share our video, subscribe to our channel, find us on Instagram, it's a custom auto build, and I'll catch you guys later.